Hi, how are you all? I am here with new mathematical problem. We have two equation. A plus b is equal to 15 and a minus b is equal to 15. And we have to find the value of a cross b. Dear student, first of all, we will add these two equations to eliminate the value of b, such as if a plus b is equal to 15, a minus b is equal to 15. So b and minus b are cancelled. And a plus a is equal to 2a. Because coefficient is 1 and coefficient is 1. So 2a will be equal to 100. So the value of a will be 100 divided by 2. So the value of a will be equal to 50. Now we will subtract equation 2 from equation 1 to eliminate the value of a. Here we change the sign, as a is plus, so it is converted into minus, b is minus, so it is converted into plus, and 50 is converted into minus 50 because we are going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Here cancellation will be b plus b, it will be equal to 2b, and 2b will be equal to 50 minus 50, which is equal to 0. And b will be equal to 0 divided by 2. So the value of b will be equal to 0. Now our target is a multiplied by b. So a multiplied by b will be equal to the value of a is 50 and the value of b is 0. So a multiplied by b will be equal to 0. Thank you.